Hey guys, this is Caleb Pickett with MarineMax here in Lake Wylie, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser. So starting here in the back, this baby is powered with a 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. So you got plenty of horsepower to do any sort of water sports. If you're skiing, it can do it. If you're tubing, you can do it. And that's all done with this tow bar right there. And also back here you have your in-water step. So that just folds down and gives you a great place to sit in the water if you don't want to get completely in the water. This boat also has a dual battery hookups in here to power such things as the top. This is an electric bimini top. Same with these bimini lights. And under all of these seats back here is storage, so no matter how many people you got out and all their stuff, you got a place for it. This ottoman right here is movable. I mean, you can adjust it and bring it around anywhere you want. And it also has cup holders, and inside there's some storage in here as well. And over here at the helm station, you got your adjustable steering wheel, got your 7-inch Simrad touchscreen with all the engine functions, got your JL Audio radio control here, all your switches, and one cool thing is if you're out on the water, you need a little phone charge, hook it up right there, now you have a charger. It's also got a digital throttle, and then you can actually turn on the sport exhaust as well. Moving up here towards the front, here you got your in-floor storage. Again, tons of storage if you're carrying any sort of water sports or just tons of towels, luggage, whatever. It's all going to go in here. And then up here, again, tons of room. This boat is massive. Tons of room for people to lay out. For example, I'm 6'5", and look how much room I have. I mean, this boat can fit all the friends, all the family. So yeah, if you guys want to come by, check it out, please give us a call, 803-831-2101. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks, guys.